Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing and swatching the Urban Decay's Naked Honey Eyeshadow Palette. This palette was released on Friday, September 13th on Sephora's website and in stores, along with Urban Decay's website. It will be available at Ulta, MACYS, NORDSTROM's online September 23rd, and in stores September 26th. This palette retails for $49. The packaging of this palette is all plastic that kind of looks like a aluminum tin with embossed letters. I honestly really like the packaging of this palette, and I feel like it's my favorite packaging from all the Naked palettes. It has a magnetic closure, and it also includes a good quality mirror. You will also get a synthetic dual-ended brush, with one side being a shader brush and the other a fluffy blending brush. This palette also includes 12 eyeshadows just like the other Naked palettes. The eyeshadows do have name and they are printed under each eyeshadow. This is a complete warm neutral palette. Out of the 12 eyeshadows, 6 are mattes because I don't consider the eyeshadow Flyby a matte. I consider that one a satin, so it will be 6 mattes, 1 satin, and 5 metallics. I read on Urban Decay's website that all 12 eyeshadows are exclusive to this palette. So when I did my swatches for the mattes, all swatched pigmented and evenly. I did notice that the mattes in this palette felt a bit dry, but they still blended out smoothly without any issues. For the satin shade, this one felt creamy and was pigmented. It applied evenly without any issues. For the metallics, these also felt more on the dry side. When swatched, they did swatch pigmented, but after swatching them once, it was harder to get a good swatch because the eyeshadows felt more dry on the pan. I always clean my finger after every swatch to avoid building up oils because that will cause the eyeshadow to dry up. And this was happening after one swatch, even after me cleaning my finger. So you basically have to dig into the shade Honey to get a good application. You would definitely need to use your finger or a wet synthetic brush, but you will have to layer it. The other metallics transfer better and you don't have to dig into the pan like you will have to with the shade Honey. So overall, I really like this color story, especially because it can be an everyday palette. I feel this palette is so much prettier than the original Naked and the Reloaded. If you don't mind digging into the shade Honey to get a intense application, you will really like this palette. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Let me know what you guys think about this palette and are you guys planning on picking it up. Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.